Is your Samsung phone silently ignoring incoming calls, leaving you in the dark and potentially missing out on important connections? Don't worry, we've all been there. This tutorial will guide you through the most common fixes for incoming calls not showing up on your Samsung Android device, ensuring you stay connected. First, let's dive into your One UI settings. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Then tap the gear icon to access settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on apps. From here, you'll need to find your phone app. It might be listed as phone or dialer. Tap on the phone app, and then select notifications. Make sure that show notifications is toggled on. Within notification categories, ensure that incoming calls or a similar option is also set to allow or has a notification dot visible. This is crucial for calls to be displayed. Next, let's check the call app specific display settings. Go back to your phone app by tapping the green phone icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once the phone app is open, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu, and then select settings. Inside the phone app settings, look for an option like call display or show call notifications. Ensure this is enabled. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary software glitches, so press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and then tap restart. If these steps don't work, it's possible your phone's software needs an update. Go back to your main settings, scroll all the way down, and tap software update. Tap download and install to check for any available updates. Keeping your phone's firmware up to date is often the solution to many unexpected issues. By following these steps, you should be able to get those incoming calls showing up on your Samsung phone again and keep those important conversations flowing.